Hello everybody, welcome back to Siri English. Today we are going to discuss IBPS post prelims fillers and error detection. So let's get started. Here the first question is the given sentence has been broken up into 4 different parts and we may find error among all these 4 parts and we have to choose one option which has error. Okay, now let's start. The new software company follows rather standard account procedures that are online with internationally accepted norms. Okay, let us find out the error. The new software company follows. Here, the new software company is subject, singular subject. We know that singular subject should follow is always followed by singular verb. Follows. So, we don't find any error. And let's move further. A rather standard account procedures. Here we have to know the usage of rather. Rather is always used for unpleasant things, for bad things. And fairly is used for pleasant things, pleasant situation. He is fairly good. It's rather hot. So here after rather we find standard account procedures. Standard account procedures are used in positive sense. So we cannot use rather, we have to use fairly. So we find error in B part. So error is in B part. Now let's move further. That are online with. Actually there is no phrase online with, it's wrong. Wrong usage. We have to use in line with. In line with. The meaning of in line with is in agreement with. So instead of online, we have to use in line with the internationally accepted norms. Now this becomes the new software company follows fairly standard account procedures that are in line with the internationally accepted norms. So the answer is B and C. Error is B and C, so we find second one. Second one is the answer. Now let's move further. Despite of toiling very hardly, he realized that he had not earned anything substantially. So let us know the usage of despite. Despite and in spite of both means the same. In spite of, despite means even though or still. It is a conjunction. This is used for opposite ideas. It is linked between two opposite ideas. In spite of and despite is always followed by ing form of the verb. So in spite of being like that. So here we find despite toiling. We should not use despite of. Only despite. After despite we have to use ing form of the verb. So despite toiling we should not use despite of. So we find error in A part. It's wrong. Toiling itself is working very hard. Again we use very hardly. Very hardly it gives completely negative sense. Hard and hardly. The difference between hard and hardly. Hardly means negative, nothing. Hard means here working very hard. Adjective. It becomes positive. So we cannot use hardly. Then again we find error here. Very hardly he realized that he had not earned, okay, it seems right, anything substantially. Substantially means the meaning of substantially is adverb and the meaning is to a large degree. Actually anything is noun. After noun we cannot use the adverb. So again we find error. After noun we have to use adjective here. The adjective is substantial. Meaning of substantial is here possess wealth or property. So the first one is the right one. A and B and D. We find error in A, B and D. So despite toiling he realized that he had not earned anything substantial. So that is a sentence. Now let's move further. Since the attachment of air conditioned sleeping cars to all important trains, travelling has become very pleasant, especially during summer season. So what's the meaning of since? When do we use since? Actually since means here due to or for the reason that, because. So in that here we use in that context. Since the attachment of, due to the attachment of air conditioned sleeping cars, where it is attached to all important trains. Okay, so we don't find error in A part and B part. Traveling has become very pleasant. So we should know the usage of here, the verbs has, have and had. Always has, have and had is followed by the verb form, third form of the verb 3. So it should be become. In place of became, we have to use become. Has become very pleasant. So again we find error in C part. Then let's move further, especially during summer season. Actually before seasons, in summer season, actually we have to use the summer season, the winter season. So here there is no article. So we have to write article over there, the summer season. So again we find error in D part. So we find error in C part and D part. So fourth one is the answer. Now let's move further. Unless the local club stop to make noise at once, the neighbors will have no other option but to bring the matter to the attention of the police. So let us know the usage of unless. When do we use unless? Unless or until. When we use unless or until, we don't use any negative in the sentence. And here, unless the local club, again the local club becomes singular subject. We know that always singular subject is followed by singular verb. So singular verb stop, actually it is wrong. We have to use stops. Local club stops. So we find error. So A is wrong here. Make noise at once. Again make noise is wrong. The phrase should be make a noise. Make a noise is right. And make noise at once the neighbors will. So again we find error in B part. Now let's move further. Have no other option but. Here always no other is followed by than, not but. So again we find error in C part. The matter to the attention of the police. So we find in A part, B and C. So the sentence should be, unless the local club stops to make a noise at once, the neighbors will have no other option than to bring the matter to the attention of the police. So all A, B, C, these all options have error. Only D is right. All except D. So fifth one is right. Now let's move further. As I reached hospital for treatment, I found a great rush of visitors whose relatives had been admitted there for one or the other ailment. Okay. As means here because. The meaning is as means because. I reached hospital. I again singular subject. Verb reached past tense. Hospital for treatment. Okay. Seems right. No error. I found, again singular subject I, again singular subject is followed by verb found. A great rush of visitor. Always a great number of, the great number of, a great deal of is followed by plural noun. So a great of something. Rush is given here, of course. Rush, actually when there are more than one person or two persons, we use rush. But we use only visitors. Visitor. So here we find error here. A great rush of visitors. Plural noun should be there. So here only visitor, singular noun is given. So again we find error in this. So we have to write visitors whose relatives had been admitted there. Okay. For one or the other ailment. Seems right. So only we find error in B part. So B part, B is error. Now next, let's move further. This is a strange world where each of the citizen pursue his own dreams and laugh at others for doing the same thing. Okay. This is a strange world. Okay, singular subject. And again where is relative pronoun. It refers to the subject's strange world. And let's move further. Each of the citizen, always each of the is followed by plural noun. So instead of citizen we have to use citizens. So again we find error, each of the citizens. And again when each of the is followed by plural noun, always it is followed by singular subject. Here it's given pursue his own dream. So we have to use here pursues his own dream. Okay, again error in C part. And again laugh at others for doing. Again laugh is also singular verb, plural. We have to use laughs. We have to use laughs at others for doing the same thing. So we find error in B part, C part and D part. So only A is right. So the answer is B, C and D. Okay, B and C. B, we find B, C and D. The following question has 2 blanks. Choose the set of words for each blank that best fits the context of the sentence. So let's see the question. State government has simply not given rules of the necessary momentum, and the producers of plastic articles that are dash found just for a few minutes have shown little dash about the negative environmental impact. Here the word, let us see the first blank. The word used after the blank indicates that it is regarding the nature of use of the plastic articles. So in this context, so the words which are suitable for the first blank are regularly, invariably and habitually, whereas hardly and rarely doesn't fit the blank. So C and E are eliminated. Now let's move further. The second blank. The second blank is regarding the negative environmental impact of the plastic bag. So the only word that fits the blank is concern, which indicates that the producers are hardly worried about the impact of plastics. So the word assistance and support are relevant to the context of the sentence. So A and D are eliminated. The right answer is B. Now let's move further. The second question. In India, numerous sites are set up to dash fake news with dash bait headlines. So let's see the first blank here. In this context, peddle or sell only can fit the first blank, and remaining B, D are eliminated. Here it's in this context it is about the fake news. So it can only be, we cannot say destroy fake news, or we cannot say excavate fake news. Excavate means make a hole or dig the earth, and we cannot say exterminate. Exterminate means destroy. So these words are irrelevant. Further, as numerous sites are set up to distribute fake news with catchy title, click is the most appropriate choice of the second blank. So clickbait is the appropriate word. Here clickbait refers to the content that whose main purpose is to attract attention and encourage visitors to click on a link to a particular web page. So option C is wrong. So only option A is right answer. Now let's move to the next question. Provocative content dash information dash videos and dash pictures are being disseminated through various online and mobile platforms. The word provocative indicates that it is an adjective filling both the blanks in the negative sense. So in this content, the words that are suitable are inaccurate, erroneous and misleading, and remaining upset and vague cannot fit. Upset means unhappy and vague is unclear. So only inaccurate, erroneous and misleading is appropriate. Here, however, the words illuminating and gaming are irrelevant to the context of the sentence. Here only C and E are eliminated. The only word that makes a sentence meaningful is doctored. Doctored, which means change the content or appearance of a document or picture in order to deceive. Okay, now let's see the next question. The dash of the plastic waste management rules require manufacturers of compostable bags to get a certification from the Central Pollution Control Board, but this has not stopped dash products from entering the market. Okay, now let's see the first blank. The first blank refers to the conditions, only conditions of the plastic waste management rules. So in this context, the words which are suitable for the first blank are conditions. Honor cannot suit. Honor means here highly highly respectable, so it cannot suit. Provisions, okay. Force it cannot match. Choice also cannot match. So only provisions and conditions are suitable for this blank. B, D, E are eliminated. Now the use of words here, but this has not stopped dash. The use of words but this has not stopped before the second blank shows that it has to be something negative. Here the word authentic has a positive tone. So authentic is used in the positive sense. B is eliminated already. Then provisions, counterfeit, okay, this may match, and D is not suitable, already eliminated. E also eliminated. So authentic and counterfeit is only left over. So authentic is in the positive sense, so it cannot be suitable to the blank. So only counterfeit is suitable. Option C is right. Here the only word is counterfeit. The only word that makes the sentence meaningful here is counterfeit, which means made in exact imitation of something valuable with the intention to deceive. Okay, now let's see the next question. Content that dash leaders or groups of the opposite ideology based on falsehoods deepens communal dash or incites hatred have gained traction in the last few years. Okay, now let's see the first blank here. Content that dash leaders or groups of the opposite ideology based on falsehoods. So here the first blank refers to the action of content based on falsehoods, and it indicates that the action is in negative in nature. So the first blank actually it refers to negative sense. In this context, the words suitable for the first blanks are disparages and denigrates and maligns. So these three are suitable. Here disparages means degrade someone, insult someone. Denigrate also the same meaning, criticize someone. Malign means having evil in nature, so being evil in nature. So these three are suitable for the first blank. And remaining cheer cannot be suitable, and excites also cannot, because excites means eager, cheer means happiness. So these two are in, actually doesn't suit. So the second blank is a continuation of the negative effects of the mentioned content. The only word that makes the sentence meaningful correct is polarization. Polarization, which means division into two contrasting groups or sets of opinion or belief. Here the words harmony and congruency are positive in nature. So these do not fit the sentence. So A and D are eliminated. So only B is the right answer. Okay. Now let's see the second one. Next one. Next question. They fear that any original thinking or non-conformist initiative may attract accusations of dash, making PSU managers shun risk and stick to procedure and dash rather than break out boldly in new directions. So here the word accusation, here the before the blank, first blank, accusations of is given here. So accusation before the first blank indicates that it is something negative in nature. So in this context, the words which are suitable for the first blank are transgression, which means against a law, malfeasance, which means wrongdoing, and D, wrongdoing. So these three options are suitable. So C is excellence and E, exuberance, means here cheerful. So these two are not at all suitable for the first blank. Now rather than after, the second blank shows that it has to be the opposite of break out boldly in new directions, that is following standards that have already been set. The only word that makes sentence cannot is correct. Actually the only word that makes the sentence meaningful is precedents, which means an earlier event or action that is regarded as an example or guide to be considered in the subsequent similar circumstances. So the words peculiarities and projects are irrelevant. So A and D are eliminated. So only precedents, B is the answer. Okay. Now let's see next question. Considering the rapid penetration of mobile phones and the rise in the use of social media in India, the dash of fake news is no longer a problem limited to the online world, especially because it has political, social and economical dash on the ground. So now let's see the first blank. Here the first blank refers to the spreading of fake news. Dash of fake news is no longer. It refers to the spreading of fake news, which has become easier to reach the worldwide. In this context, the words which are suitable are dissemination. Dissemination means spreading very rapidly. Dissemination, propagation, distribution. So these three words means the same, spreading. Now here the first one, A option is dissidence. Dissidence means disagreement. It doesn't suit. And devolution. Devolution means descent to a worse state. So this also doesn't suit. So A and C are eliminated. Only B and D and E are suitable. Now let's see the second blank now. Out of the remaining choices, here the only word that fits the second blank is ramification. Here trade cannot suit. Career, already these A and C are eliminated. Only ramification, transaction, transfusion, these three are left over. But transactions and transfusion are irrelevant. Only ramifications are. Only ramification fits the blank. Ramifications means unwelcome consequence of an action or event. So okay friends, I have explained you all the questions. Now all the best. Thanks for watching.